Hello guys, welcome back again. So today I'm going to show to you how to create a smooth transition between one clip to second clip and just go on. Okay, first you need to open your Capcut and then export to video that you want to add a transition onto it. And I already prepared these two video, and as you can see, the transition of these two video is kind of like not matched at all. So the way to create it much more clean and looks like cinematic is just by click each clip, click it like this, and then you just need to go to this speed button and go to this curve button, this one, just click it, and there will be a plenty of choice of a curve speed, but you need to use this bullet curve, this one. It's like that, and then when you already insert it, you can just hit this check button, or maybe you want to adjust the beat from the slow motion, you can just decrease it like this, or do whatever you want. And when you're done, just hit the check button like this, and then go to the next clip. Do the same as the previous clip. Go to the speed and use a curve speed and click this bullet curve, this one. Then check it, and when you're done, as you can see now, the transition from the first clip onto the second clip, it's much more clean and looks like cinematic. And that's the way how to create a smooth transition on Capcut application. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.